Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Microsoft OneDrive for secure access to insurance files, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft OneDrive website. Sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. Once logged in, locate the My Files section on the home page. To upload your insurance files, click on the Upload button. Choose files or folder based on your needs and select the items you want to upload. Wait for the upload process to complete. You will see a progress bar. Next, create a secure folder for your insurance files. Click on New in the toolbar and select Folder. Name the folder something easily identifiable, like Insurance Documents. To enhance security, right-click the folder and select Share. In the sharing window, adjust link settings to restrict access. Choose specific people to ensure only chosen individuals can view the files. Add the email addresses of team members or family members who need access. Before sending the invite, adjust permissions to either can view or can edit. For an additional layer of security, consider enabling Go to the security section of your account settings. Follow the prompts to set up two-factor authentication using a mobile app or SMS. Once configured, verify that two-factor authentication is active. To regularly back up your insurance files, enable the automatic backup option. Return to the settings menu and select Backup. Choose to backup documents and any other relevant folders. Now, your insurance files are backed up and stored securely in OneDrive. Remember to regularly update and organize your files for easy access. You have now completed your OneDrive setup for secure access to insurance files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.